What's the meaning of black and tan? Black and tan. Black and tan.
Black and tan. Black and tan. Black and tan is a term that can have multiple meanings depending on context. Historically, it referred to a unit of British paramilitary police officers called the Royal Irish Constabulary Reserve Force, who wore distinctive black and tan uniforms. However, in some contexts, black and tan can also refer to a type of beer made by mixing a pale ale with a dark stout. Additionally, the term has been used as slang for mixed-breed dogs, particularly those with black and tan coloring. It is important to understand the context in which the term is being used in order to determine its meaning.